Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at this really awesome air purifier. What I have here is the one by the Mooka, which was nice enough to send me one of these for review and testing. In today's video we're going to unbox this thing, set it up, and of course go over all the features. So let's start with the unboxing first. Right on top, we do have some aroma pads. This is if you want to end up using some essential oil so your house smells better while it cleans the air at the same time. And here we do have user manual as well. Alright, so here we go with the air purifier. I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit surprised by the size. It is very small, very portable, it doesn't weigh a lot. Best thing about it is it works on the large rooms, up to 1,250 square feet, which is pretty impressive. That's the size of my whole apartment. Now, another cool thing about this air purifier, it does have 360-degree clean, meaning it takes air from all the sides, and of course then the air gets through the filter and it cleans it. So that's definitely an amazing feature. Now, first thing we're gonna do is end up removing the bottom. So let's end up placing it down, rotating the base counterclockwise. Inside the bottom, we do have the power adapter here. Then, of course, we have the filter. Let's end up removing this. Here is how the filter looks. This one has 3-stage filtration. So the first one is the activated carbon filter, which should purify all the smoke, fumes, pet odors, or the cooking smells. And then we also do have, that's on the inside, the white stuff, not the mesh, the white stuff. That's the HEPA filtration, which should prevent any pollen or pet dander. And then we have the pre-filtration. It's a little mesh. I'm not sure if it's visible, but that's on the outside of the filter and goes all the way around. That should prevent any hairs, pet fur, or any fibers. So 3-stage filtration, so all you have to do is just push it back in. And then once you have it inside, you're gonna take the cover and just align it here. Once you have it aligned, all you have to do is just twist it back on. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so I just ended up plugging it in. It plugs in on the back. So here is all the buttons. This is touchscreen. So we have on and off. We have reset, which is for the filter once you do have to replace it. Then we have the light. We have the child lock. We have timers, so 2, 4, 6, or 8-hour timer. And then we have the speeds. We have first, second, third, and then we also have the sleep mode. Now here is where that aroma goes. Let me see how to open it. Oh, there we go. You push it up, and then it just opens, and it actually has a little pad already. Not sure if that's visible on the camera. So all you have to do is just end up putting in a few different drops. I'm just gonna go with maybe like 4 drops, and then we'll see how it performs. And before we forget, let's remove the little plastic here. There we go. Now we're gonna turn it on. Now, right now, this is on the first speed, and I gotta tell you, it's right next to me and I can't hear nothing, which is definitely a good thing. Let's do the second speed, and you can feel the air blowing on top. Now, the second speed is noticeable, but again, it's very, very quiet. I can hear it, but if I had this next to me while working, while talking on the phone, I wouldn't even notice it. Let's go with the third. Now, this speed is definitely more noticeable, but again, if I'm working, if I'm talking on the phone, it wouldn't be too distracted, and it's actually blowing quite a lot of air from the top. All right, I have it on the first speed now, so it's not distracting, but here we have the light icon. So if you don't want the light, you can turn that off. But I gotta say, it looks absolutely amazing, especially if the lights are off. And then here we have the child lock, so all you have to do is just hold this, turn that on. Now that it's turned on, if they keep pressing the buttons, it's not gonna do anything. So to turn that off, just hold that. Simple as that. Now, another cool thing about this air purifier, it removes 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke odors, pet danders as small as zero point 0.3 microns, which is extremely impressive. Now, another thing that I absolutely love about it is, I mentioned in the beginning, I love the size. So you can have this on the floor, you can have it on the computer desk, you can have it on the shelf. It doesn't take a lot of space. Again, make sure it's kind of further away from the wall, so at least give it a foot away from the wall, and of course make sure there's nothing on top, because this is where all the clean air comes from. But you can have it in a lot of different places. For me, I'm gonna have it on this computer desk. It looks pretty cool. Absolutely love the design. Also love the colors. And on top of that, I work on my desk 8 hours a day, so I'm gonna have clean air throughout the day. So if you're in the market for the air purifier that's small, portable, but also works on very large spaces, this is the one I would definitely recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.